I get the call from the Arizona Diamondbacks and they said, hey, we drafted 37th round. When I see what it says, you've been released from the Arizona Diamondbacks organization. Good luck in your future endeavor. I had to pull the car over. I couldn't believe what I was reading. Hey, we gotta go, sold. And when I see them ripping stuff off the wall, that bite turns into like pity, like slump down into onto the floor.
And you accuse the mayor of running a ghost candidate specifically to split the Hispanic vote in Homestead.
Right. And when that first round of votes come in, I'm like, ooh, oh man, that is tough to look at. I'm gonna lose this election. And that celebration that I thought was gonna happen, think of it as like turning into a wake.
God has a way of sending you a message.
Right.
And so shortly after thinking I'm going to run for commissioner, and I had a campaign manager,
Right.
and we opened up the bank accounts and we did all that stuff, we're ready to start earning money, I got a heart attack.
My mom leaves DR by herself at the age of 18. No family has ever been to the US. And slowly, she brings over everyone single
else.
one of our family. So I get a job at the airport, and this is such a humbling story, man. I'm working as a security guard. The people would look at you like you were this piece of crap.
You said to me, faith is a muscle. When was your faith tested so hard that you wasn't sure it would hold? You think you ever go back to it? You think you ever try again?
For mayor?
Yeah.